Hello, I wanted to show you how to get some information on opportunities and trends in the marketplace. So I'm in module 5 and I'm going to click on the library link here. Then I want to go to articles and databases. You can use a couple of sources to get this information. Business ProQuest, you can go in there and search your company name. Let's put Apple. Incorporated, and then opportunities and trends in the market. And hit search. So this will give you some articles here. A lot of them looks like they have to do with software, privacy, those types of things. So that's one thing that you can do. The other place we can go is Business Source Complete. Again, you can search for articles here, Apple and opportunities and trends. We can also go to company profiles over here on the right-hand side. Search for Apple. Now we can get the market line report if we want, and that will actually be helpful. That will have a SWOT analysis, and you can get opportunities and trends. You can get some ideas from that report. So you may want to click on that, but you can also go to Apple Incorporated. Again, we can go to the SWOT analysis from here. We could also look at industry profiles. So I'm going to click on that. If it says find it, you won't have access to it. You can see there's a lot of things or other articles here though. This looks like it has to do with the Apple Watch, so that would be technology. Tariffs, that would have to do with legal and political trends. Qualcomm dispute, competitor trends. Let's look at some of the next things. Mobile applications, that looks like a big trend in the marketplace. So we're just looking for trends in the market, opportunities in the market. Apple e-commerce, what they're doing online, so that continues to be a trend, online retailing. Just looking here for anything else. China Consumer Electronics Report, that might be interesting to read. There might be some trends in there with going on with electronics. Here's some things that have to do with overseas. This looks like it has to do with privacy in the market. That's an ongoing trend. Apple can track you, so that's a trend there. Lots of things for overseas. So you can just go through and look at what some of the overall trends in the industry are, because that's what you really want to know for this assignment. You're just looking for trends in the marketplace overall. And so on and so forth. So good luck with this assignment, and I'll ask questions if you have any on the discussion boards.